how to charge the Anker SoundCore 2. So here we have it in our hand, and at the very end here you want to pull out this little plug, and you can see a USB-C port. This is the original cable here. You want to plug the USB-C port into the end here, and then the USB into a power source. Now, if you plug it into a 2 amp charger, it should take around 3 hours to charge. If you plug it into a phone charger or a laptop USB port, it should take 6 to 8 hours. The power light, if it's flashing red, means it's low battery. If it's a steady red light, it means your Anker SoundCore 2 is charging. And when it turns a steady white light, it means you're fully charged. So that's how to charge the Anker SoundCore 2 and how long everything takes. Once you turn it back on, it should have a white steady light like that.